it's Maxine at Fabricland. Today I'm going to show you some World Book Day costume ideas. We've got loads of books, we've been to the library, we've asked people to bring in books that they read to their children. So we've got some out to show you, to give you some ideas. So I'll just let my camera lady just pan along to see all the sorts of things we've got. We've got polycottons, we've got habutais, we've got gingham, we've got things with stripes and skulls. We've got crushed velvet, we've got animal prints, but if we start at the end and we'll move along. So if you fancy doing the Gruffalo, okay, we've got lots of different furs that are like very animal like, so maybe have a go at doing that. And you don't have to make the full suit, maybe make a tabard. And when I mean a tabard, you would have a piece of fabric at the front and a piece of fabric at the back, and you normally cut a hole and maybe put like a little string or something like that just to keep it so the child doesn't like pull it all off. So just like a little tabard, you could allude and maybe make a pair of ears. We have got the owl babies, and we've got this gorgeous curly fleece, so maybe have a go at making something with that. What about the tiger who came to tea? So we've got lots of animal print cotton, so you could have a go at making maybe some ears, a tail, and maybe make again a tabard or a little top, so that would be good. We've got the stick man, so we've pulled out suedette. Now suedette doesn't fray, so you could just cut that, okay, and you could have a go at making a whole costume out of that. That would look good. We have got Harry Potter. So for Harry Potter, you could make a cape, which is really easy to make. I've got one here that I've made. Okay, all you need is some fabric that's going to be as long as the child's cape. Okay, you've got enough in the width, and all I've done is just tacked over a hem, thread a cord through, and it's really easy, she says. And you've got yourself a cape, so which is really easy for the child to put on. So you could have yourself a cape. And what about maybe making out of felt a tie, okay, for your house, whether you're Slytherin or Gryffindor. Okay, so, and you could just pin that with a safety pin or put a bit of elastic through it, and you've got a tie. Maybe make a hat, a Harry Potter outfit. We also do crushed velvet, which is very good as well. It doesn't fray, drapes well. Maybe you fancy doing Little Red Riding Hood. We've also got like a poncho cape as well, which is really good. Winnie the Witch, so if you fancy doing wizards and witches, we've got loads of different fabrics for that. So we've got twinkle crepon and sugar puff. There's lots of different things you could use to make the dress, make the hat, do a wand. So maybe have a go at that. What about this pirates book? Pirates love underpants. So we've got stripy fabrics, we've got things with skulls on, we've even got a treasure island and map fabric. So there's lots, you can even make a map for them. There's lots of different ones that you could maybe have a go at doing. The most important thing is to either ring us, okay, the phone number's on our website, okay, or go into the shop with the book, okay, and they will do their best to try and help you, because we don't know every single book character, but if you go in with the book, they can look at what you're trying to achieve and they can help you. You could do Alice in Wonderland with gingham. We do felt squares, we do stick-on stars that you could just stick on with some fabric glue, so they would be quite good if you're doing wizards, superheroes, things like that. The Hungry Caterpillar classic book here, maybe make a costume, and we've got all the different colour polycottons. We have got Zog here, and we've got things with scale prints on, so maybe you might want to make some funky leggings and team it with a t-shirt. There's lots of things. We do felt by the metre in lots of different colours, and you can see it's really wide, so that would be really good. And if you really like what I'm telling you, why don't you subscribe to our Fabricland channel so you can see all our updates, all our fabrics. So I hope I've given you a bit of inspiration for World Book Day. It doesn't have to be complicated. You can make it quite simple. Come into our shop, ring us on our phone number, and we're here to help you. Goodbye.